Christopher and Kenny went to a department store with $288.80 and $138.80 respectively. So this is for Christopher, this is for Kenny. They each paid the same amount of money for a backpack and a wallet each. So they each bought 2 items. So Chris bought the backpack and wallet. Kenny also bought the same backpack and wallet. Now for this reason, Christopher had 4 times as much money left as Kenny. Find the cost of the backpack if it is known that the backpack costs 3 times as much as the wallet. Alright, so how do we tackle this? What is the keywords involved? Keywords for this question will be they each paid the same amount of money. Okay, which means the difference in monies before and after must be the same. Can be solved by drawing a BCA table. So before, change, and after. Alright, so we have Chris here. Can you put a C for short form? And then Kenny. And then since we know that they spend the same amount, which means the difference must remain the same, okay? Alright, so for Chris, he had $288.80 at first. Kenny, 138.80, and we can straight away find the difference between their monies. $288 minus 138, that will be $150. That will be the difference that must remain later on as well. Okay, later on the difference must be 150 also, so please take note. Now, what's next? Okay, Christopher had 4 times as much money left as Kenny, so at the end, Christopher will be 4 units, Kenny 1 unit, and the difference in terms of units will be 3, 4 minus 1, 3 units. Okay, this is the difference in their monies. Now, with this, we know that 3 units must be equals to the starting difference because the difference remained the same. So 3 units will be equals to $150. We can find 1 unit. By 3, that will be $50. Okay, which means, right, Kenny at the end had $50 left. Which also means we can find the amount he has spent. 138.80 minus $50. $88.8. Okay, so Kenny spent 88.80. Same thing for Chris because they both spent an equal amount of money. So this guy right here, you also take away $88.80, okay? Now, question is this. What is the cost of the backpack if it is known that the backpack costs 3 times as much as the wallet? Alright, so backpack will be 3 parts, right? Wallet will just be 1 part. And we know that they each bought a backpack and a wallet each. And the good thing is we know how much they spent as well, which is $88.80. Okay, $88.80. So how much is the backpack? Right? How much is the backpack? $88.80 represents 1, 2, 3, 4 parts. Okay, don't use units because you already used it earlier. So 4 parts is equals to $88.80. We find 1 part then. Okay, so it will give you $22.20, and they don't want to find the cost of the wallet, otherwise that would be our answer here. They want to find the cost of the backpack, which is 3 boxes, 3 parts. So 3 parts will be equals to $22.20 times 3. That will be $66.60 for our final answer for this question.